this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 Ecoboost engine and has four-wheel drive capabilities. This vehicle also comes equipped with the tow and haul package and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we do got rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. We do have a nice gripped running board with the side view camera as well as blind spot detection. And moving to the front, we do have two tow hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 6 pretty comfortably, with this turning into additional 6 seat, 2 USB-Cs, a 12-volt, 2 cup holders, this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space, and you can lift up the seats if you need additional space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have mostly powered seats, with that being the only manual part. Got the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space, parking brake, and lights are just on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 24.4 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel. You got your toggle for your menu, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control right there. Looking at your main screen here, you can go through, your My View, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Looking to the right of me, we got cup holders, a nice little phone slot. We do got quite a bit of storage underneath as well. Your 6 additional seat, as well as you do get storage underneath as well. Fair bit of storage here, USB and USB-C, nice little hook. Dry modes, rear locking differential with 4-wheel drive, trailer disconnect, pro trailer assist, 12-volt, as well as 2 USB-Cs. You do get storage there, as well as below. Storage above. We have our auto stop, auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, hazards, and traction. And looking at your main screen here, you do get your audio, which does have SiriusXM capabilities, phone, navigation, your fave apps, messaging, email, Wi-Fi hotspot, or whatever you have selected, apps in general, or any apps you have downloaded. This vehicle is compatible with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, your settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KE37656, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.